welcome. As you can see, the Real 1's been built out. It's been out for its maiden shakedown, and all is good. Parts item a C240 went on it, which are Samgut 2207 2300 kVs, Tattoo F4S all-in-one flight controller and 4-in-1 ESC, a Runcam split, FreeSky XSR, and an FX series video transmitter. X-Lite clone 5045s, brilliant. First endeavour flying a racing quad at 45 degrees, so all that went well. There'll be a flight's worth of footage on the end, but so far I think Beta Flight 4 is the standout shining light of this. Felt great, really good. I'm going to crack open the CL1 and have a look at that next, and then build that out with its parts. Hope you enjoy the little bit of footage. Any questions? Always happy to answer them. Catch you later. Happy flying.
Here, Pele. Hi.